Hey, so in the last video we discussed about what is system design, why we need system design, pillars and all. In this video we discuss about a little bit of things, why system design and why differ from coding and all that. Just a basic gist. So suppose this is and let I choose the pen, thank you. And suppose this is a basic, just a basic gist I want to give regarding system design. If you do not know anything, I will explain you. I am here for you. So this is clients. What is clients? Who is clients? Clients is the desktop or the application layer that receive or get the data. Is called a client. So all the desktop, mobile, television, and everything is clients for us. So first, the clients give the request, and the request go on a load balancer. What is the need of the load balancer here? Because if there is a no load balancer, every single request go on a single server, and it might be possibilities that the server load is too high, and what we get, 503s and negative impact. So that's why we need a load distributor. So what the activity he does, he checked, okay, who have the less load. Okay, this server passed to him. Who have the more less load? Okay, pass to him. Okay, pass to him. So in that way he distribute the load in a proper fashion. Okay, so this is just I want to give a brief, just a gist. Okay, how and why and how we design the systems. So you have a like lot of energy. Okay, okay, we can use this. Now, if this thing is go in a caching layer. Why the caching layer? Because it's a query that it generate. Okay, give me this thing from a DB or somewhere from the DB. Okay, give me this thing. Then it will cache this thing. Okay, it will caching. Why? Because it doesn't need to ask DB from each of the time. If it is have, then okay, you can take that from here. If it is not have, then okay, you can ask from the DB to get that. Okay, now this is the, if you see, this is a replica DB. What is the replica DB here? So suppose we have a primary DB which is the our original DB, but what if this DB got corrupted? We have to bear the loss of 10 lakh users. Suppose you order something from Mintra. Mintra is an Indian site to shop e-commerce or fashion. So you order from the Mintra and suddenly you said that you paid 10k for a watch, 10k Indian rupees for a watch. And okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh yeah. Sorry. So you paid 10k for a Mintra and suddenly it lost. Your data is not there, your account is not there, your 10k is also lost. You can trace it back from your transaction history, but it's a very big thing to get that back, and it's a very long process to get that back. So in that way we have a replica DBs to secure. Okay, it's if this one DB is got corrupted, we can in place this thing with this. But that's why replica DB. So this is a kind of like a gist that I want to give you guys. Like, this is a very basic system that architect, this is not system architect, this is system design. System architect and system design is completely two different topic. Okay, so now let's go on a topic like system design versus coding. Okay, so first of all, to all the coders, with a due respect, it is a complete different thing. Means it is the same thing you can think while coding. Okay, when you're writing like API calls, you are thinking about DDoS attack, and then you are apply the rate limiting and all that. So it is a part of that, but it is not completely that. In code centric approaches, okay, let I change it. In code centric approaches, what we have, like we have algorithm, class, function and all that, and we have to work on it. But in the system design we have services, API, infrastructure and all that. In we are writing clean code and all that, but in this case we are like where we have to where our database it in Switzerland, in London, in Delhi, and where we have to store. What is the caching strategy between, if suppose user is from London and our database is in India, and how he want he what is the latency should method should we try, so each time he get the data is in a very good, in not good, like in a very fast manner with low latency. So we can use the CDN caching method. We can use Cloudflare. We can use Akamai, Cloudflare, Fastly. These are the caching partners. So we can use Cloudflares. We can use Fastly. We can use Akamai and a lot. Okay, so what the method we can use? So these things like with service address and all these things. So these things are comes under system design approach. In code centric approach, you're writing like okay, try catches, debug loggers, and all that. It's all related to your function and modules and coding strategies. It's not about you can say how the system perform and how it interact. In that situation the system design came to the action. Okay, let's take an example of photo sharing app. So in the photo sharing app, let's design a basic. I will try to explain you in the situation. So if you are a coder, what your job is, like you can ask for the functional requirements, like functional requirement and non-functional requirement. There are two different things also. Like what, okay, where the photo, like which, in which quality you want to store the photo. It's, and is this application is only for photo sharing? Okay, so how do you want to share it, like on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all that? And you can ask for like okay, this is for iOS or app, like what is the architecture of this, like the file structure of this particular application, which language should I use, and what is the test cases, null pointer exceptions, and all the handling. These are the points that coder should take care of. And in the case of system design, we should take care of like where the photos, when we put the photo sharing app, we have using some cache replica, or there is an option, we just there is functionality requirement, like we can store photos as well. When we are sharing, we can an option to store photos as well. So in which DB should we secure, we store the photo, and which caching mechanism we are using to cache, if to serve the photo to the user directly. And there's a like how to scale the things, and all the things are the different related to infra level, like scaling, stability, like throughput, latency, in all that constant, there is system design concept help you. So in that way, there are two different concept, but they are interrelated to each other. But yes, these are the two different things that help you to make a complete software application. So that's it guys for this video. In the next video we are discuss about monolithic and microservice architecture, and hope you like it. Hit the like and subscribe button if you love it. Thank you.